Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. There is not much difference between these tablets. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Both two tablets come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Galaxy Tab S10 FE comes with 10.9 inches IPS LCD display, and the Tab S10 FE Plus comes with 13.1 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the Exynos chipset. Let's compare the camera features. They offer 13 megapixel rear camera and 12 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.